Hello and welcome. I am so glad you decided to join me today because I have something really special to share in this video. I want to introduce you to a pair of elegant white strappy heels that immediately caught my attention. When I first saw them, the design is simple but very chic with a slim high heel that gives them a graceful look and a delicate strap across the toes that shows just the right amount of foot. The ankle strap adds security and makes the style feel complete. While at the back there is a soft bow detail that makes the shoes look sweet feminine and a little playful. I think white heels always bring a fresh and classy vibe that matches so many outfits, and these are no exception. They seem perfect for a special occasion, but at the same time they have a charm that could also make them work for a more casual event. In this first part of the video, I just want to talk about them so you can imagine the style and appreciate the details before I start modeling them. I really hope you enjoy this introduction and that you are as excited as I am to see everything these heels have to offer. These white strappy heels immediately give a sense of lightness and refinement. The slim heel is tall and elegant, and it shapes the legs in a very flattering way. The delicate straps across the toes let the foot breathe while still keeping everything in place. And the thin ankle strap completes the design with a touch of femininity. What I like is that the white color is bright and clean, so the shoes can be paired with so many different styles. It feels like the kind of heel that stands out without needing any extra decoration. The more I observe the shape, the more I notice how the balance between minimal design and graceful lines makes them a timeless piece that could always look current no matter the season or the fashion trend. Ankle strap deserves its own attention because it changes the whole feel of the shoe. It gives stability and comfort, but it also adds a chic detail that breaks the simplicity of the design. The small buckle shines discreetly and gives the look a more polished finish, while the heel itself forces a straighter, confident posture that makes the walk feel different. White strappy heels like these have the power to completely transform an outfit. They do not need prints or flashy details to stand out. Their elegance is built on the purity of the lines and the way the straps highlight the foot. Every step feels slightly different with them, and that sensation is part of their charm. When I think about the versatility of strappy heels, it becomes clear why they are so loved. They are flexible enough to wear during the day with something casual, and they can just as easily become the perfect choice for a formal evening look. The white color in particular has this dual personality. It looks refined and even sophisticated for important moments, yet it also feels playful and light when paired with a simple dress or even a more relaxed outfit. This is why many people see them as a type of heel that can adapt to almost any wardrobe. They do not need a special occasion to feel special, but when the occasion arrives, they fit in perfectly. Another detail that I really appreciate is how the combination of slim straps and high heel can visually extend the leg line. The open style of the front keeps the look light, and the ankle strap draws the eye upward, so the whole silhouette feels longer and more elegant at the same time. The white tone reflects light in a way that makes the shoes glow softly, which adds to their charm. Shoes like these are a reminder that true elegance is not about excess or complication, but small, thoughtful touches that make a lasting impression. These strappy heels manage to be chic, versatile, and modern all at once. And for me, they represent how a simple design can still feel unique every time it is worn.
Generate by AI.
After spending enough time with these white strappy heels, I can honestly say that they are absolutely beautiful. And they have the kind of design that instantly elevates any outfit. The slim straps give the foot such a delicate shape, and the bright white color adds a fresh and striking touch that always stands out. What makes them special is how they can transform a simple look into something far more elegant. But I must also be sincere and admit that they are not the easiest heels. Wear for long hours, the thin straps and the tall heel create some pressure that can feel uncomfortable at first. And this means they require a little patience and time to get used to. They are the kind of heels that challenge you at the beginning, but reward you later. Once the foot adapts, the walk becomes easier, and the confidence they bring makes the small discomfort feel less important. I see them as a pair that is both demanding and rewarding at the same time. They ask for effort, but they give back a lot of style and presence. So my final thought is that even if they are a bit painful, they are worth it, because the elegance and charm they offer are unique. Thank you so much for being here with me. I truly hope you liked this video. And if you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments, because your opinion always makes me happy. And I will see you very soon in the next one.